Checking out my new Dexter Outdoors Dex Flex Dex Steel Dex Edge. So let's pull it out of here. So we're going to pull this plastic part out so you don't have to worry about pulling it out of this plastic packaging. Now we just kind of twist the knife right out. We got the knife there, and we can get the paperwork out of here as well. Real easily, and then the scabbard will come out right away as easily as well. So this one they call the dual edge. It's got serrated up front, blade on the bottom. Really nice scabbard to keep it in. Clip here if you're going to put it someplace. They've got the Dex Flex, they call it, so you get the flex of the blade. Then they've got the Dex Steel, made in the USA. How cool is that? Razor sharp. And then you've got the Dex Grip, which is a rubber overmold. Really strong, comfortable, and these lines give it some real grip. Looks kind of like fish bones too. I really like it. So this is the Dexter Outdoors 7-inch. They make these in lots of different sizes and couple of different blade styles. More flex, for example. This one has medium Dex Flex. It's the dual edge. They make them in plain all edge, and then they have the Dex Grip. Hope this helps.